At 6, the Oregon Senate just passed a bill that changes the rules on when law enforcement can use tear gas.
The bill is drawing criticism from the American Civil Liberties Union. Fox 12's Bonnie Silkman joins us now with more on this legislation and where it stands.
Yeah, that's right, Nora. The bill cleared the Senate today, so now it heads to the House. One of the key questions with this legislation is whether a riot must be declared in order for police to use tear gas. Tear gas was used numerous times in Portland amid the protests that followed the murder of George Floyd. Some protesters were injured, and neighbors also complained of the gas seeping into their homes. Oregon lawmakers passed a package of police reform bills, which did include restrictions on the use of tear gas. Police were banned from using the crowd control tactic unless a riot was declared. While civil rights groups supported this move, there was pushback from law enforcement, who felt that prevented them from containing dangerous situations. Under this new legislation, House Bill 4008, tear gas can be used when it's, quote, objectively reasonable to do so. Those reasons include defending against threat to life or serious bodily injury.
Giving our law enforcement the guidance they need to uphold the highest levels of integrity and preserve the safety of the public is at the heart of the bill.
The bill also adds other requirements for police to use tear gas. They must first attempt other de-escalation techniques. They would also need to announce that they're about to use tear gas and give people enough time to clear out. The ACLU says it is deeply concerned about this bill, saying, quote, state legislators are posed to pass a law with an unclear standard that can be used by police to justify their use of tear gas and munition weapons against protesters, bystanders, our communities, and our environment. The ACLU also says it did not have an opportunity to provide feedback on this bill, saying, quote, state legislators have used a process to pass this change that has shut out the public and voters. The bill is now set for its final reading in the Oregon House on Saturday, and the legislative session wraps up Monday. Reporting live in studio, Bonnie Silkman, Fox 12 Oregon.